Earth with purple oceans. Long ago, Earth was strangely colored bright purple instead of the two colors we most associate with its appearance today, green and blue. This color appeared in our planet's ancient oceans during two separate periods, one between 3.5 and 2.4 billion years ago, and the other between 1.8 and 0.8 billion years ago. Since this vast length of time encompasses 46.2% of our planet's history, it means that Earth was dominated by a purple coloration for more than 2.5 times as long as its more familiar green coloration we know today. First purple ocean. However, I want to note that these periods of purple coloration occurred for different reasons, and as a result had different shades of purple, with the older period being colored by this shade and the younger period being colored by this shade. While this concept might sound initially outlandish, or even like a piece of science fiction, we are not only almost certain this actually occurred, but it also helps explain why our planet's plants are so distinctively green today. The first episode of purple coloration can be owed to one of the first life forms which developed on the planet, a type of archaea which belonged to the plant microbiome and thrived in the absence or near complete absence of oxygen at the time. These became widespread in the ocean beginning around 3.5 billion years ago, and utilized a primitive form of photosynthesis that does not generate oxygen in what is known as an oxygenic photosynthesis. Instead of using chlorophyll like modern plants, a purple pigment was used to convert light into chemical energy, most probably a compound known as retinol. The most commonly emitted visible wavelength of light our Sun emits, which reaches Earth's surface, is green. Retinol thus absorbed green light the most successfully, while inefficiently absorbing only a minority.